Hi everybody, we are back with mathematics and we are going to do shapes, but we've already done the two-dimensional shapes, so we are going on with 3D shapes. Okay, so what are 3D shapes? In geometry, a three-dimensional shape can be defined as a figure or an object or that has three dimensions: length, width, and height. So there we have a picture. You can see that it's the height, the length, and the depth. Unlike two-dimensional shapes, three-dimensional shapes have thickness or depth. So a two-dimensional shape is only the yellow part that has height or length, but three dimensions get the depth as well. So like a human being, we as a person are three dimensions and not two dimensions. Okay. So the attributes of a three-dimensional figure are the faces, the edges, and the vertices. The three dimensions compose the edges of a 3D geometric shape. So what does that mean? If we look at the picture, we see that height, length, and width makes a 3D shape, but also that all three of those are the edges. Okay, so you need the height, the length, and the width to make an edge, and then you get the face and the vertices. Okay, so a cube, rectangular prism, a sphere, cone, and cylinder are the basic three-dimensional shapes we see around us. So the cube is like a block, rectangular prism is also like the different block that you get. Then you get the sphere that looks like a ball. A cone is when you eat the ice cream, the bottom part of the ice cream is in the cone, and a cylinder is like a cool drink can. So now we get the properties of 3D shapes. Don't stress too much. I'm going to give you pieces of paper that we need to cut out and fold so that we can see it practically how the different 3D shapes are made. Okay, so the first one we have a cone. That means it has two faces, one edge, and one vertices. So a vertex is where it's the 2 points that meet, so it makes a sharp point. So we can see it's only on the top. Okay, the edge is from the circle part, and then the face is the circle and the triangle. Okay, then we move on to a sphere, and that looks like a ball, so that means it only has one face, one edge, but zero vertices because there's no sharp point. Okay, then we get the tetrahedron. It has four faces, six edges, and four vertices. Okay, we are going to do it practically so that you can see it and feel it and everything, so don't stress too much. Okay, then we've got the cuboid. It has six faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Cylinder has three faces, two edges, but 0 vertices. So it's like the sphere. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. So it is the same as a cuboid. Then we have a triangular prism. It has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. And then our last one is a square-based pyramid. It has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. Okay, so here is a rhyme that you can remember your 3D shapes. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. Find a cone in a birthday hat. You see a sphere in a basketball and a cuboid in a building so tall. You see a cube in the dice you roll and a cylinder in a shiny flagpole. Okay, so that is it for today for our 3D shapes. See you next time.